Moving on to the hairline, we're going to use our Gold FX to make him as crispy as possible. We're again going to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. He does have a little bit of a widow's peak, so we're going to make sure we push it back just a little bit, but not too much where it looks crazy. His hair does go to the side and curls, so you want to make sure you're hitting it at a certain angle and certain way that the hair feeds into the trimmer without you pressing too hard. Moving on to his sideburns, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, and we're going to create our first guideline, slightly closing the lever, erasing our initial guideline. We're then going to use the 1 guard all the way open to create our third guideline and also blend into the 1.5 guard. Now we're using the 1.5 guard to help us blend into the 2 guard all the way open. Heading on over to the neckline, you want to make sure not to press too hard because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer because the skin area is very thin. And the blade glide a little bit easier. When you're using the razor, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle, because if not, you have a higher chance of cutting them. Also, if the client could take against the grain, you want to make sure you do go against the grain because it will make the lineups pop a little bit more. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, please leave a comment down below. I'm 100% gonna reply to it. This is a little test to see who's actually watching the video full out and through. Drop a comment of my subscriber count down below. I want to see what happens.